Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. So what I'm going to do first is log into my Shopify account and then go into my Shopify store. Well, now what I need to do is click where it says settings. And as you can see, we are now taken to this page right here. What we are going to do is click where it says payments. So click on payments, and if you want to be able to add Apple Pay or as your payment gateway or basically as a payment method, then what we are actually going to do is to click right here where it says see all other providers, and in here you need to click on this one right here and then click on Apple Pay. As you can see, get all of this payments providers in here that actually also should offer Apple Pay, as they are you can say Apple Pay is offered as a payment option for this payment provider right here. So basically, to be able to have Apple Pay on your store, you need to be able to have some of these providers in here basically. So this is exactly how to do so. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.